In this video, I'll show you how to enter expenses in QuickBooks Online, even if your bank isn't connected, so your books stay accurate and easy to reconcile later. From the dashboard, click New and choose Expense to open the expense form. Start by selecting the payee, so vendor tracking and spending reports stay clean. Then choose the payment account. The money came from checking, cash on hand, or a credit card because this is what updates the correct balance. Set the payment date to the day the funds actually left, pick the payment method, and add a reference number if you want an easy audit trail. In the Details section, choose the right category from your chart of accounts, add a clear description, and enter the amount. If one purchase covers multiple types of spending, split it across multiple lines. If you track customer, class, or location, assign them here, and apply tax only if it matches your setup. Attach the receipt for documentation, review the total against your proof, then click Save. You'll have a properly recorded expense now, and if you connect bank feeds later, you can match transactions instead of duplicating them. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that keep your books clean and stress-free.